The Infiniti Q50 has been around for a while. After a light update for 2022, Infiniti has unveiled the 2023 car's pricing. In short, there are more incremental changes for the car that sits opposite the range-topping QX80. As with the 2022 car, this year's model skips the now-dead base trim. As a result, the lineup now starts at $42,650 MSRP. The program Infiniti Premium Care is available on all 2023 and newer Infinitis, including this one. What that means is that the Q50 is a little more enticing, with 3 years of scheduled maintenance covering things like oil changes and inspections, plus Infiniti will even pick your car up and bring it back to you after said maintenance is done. Nice, right?